Привет, привет, всем, кому уже за 30. Стреляю громко, будто как Капрейн. Деньги это так, чтобы тратить на еще апгрейд. Да, это год, мы так...
It's okay, sabi niya kahit na kayo.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about when I was saying. I don't know why I always thought it was that, and then I thought it was Musso Frank's. But anyway, now we need to see the sign.
As portrayed in Once Upon a Time in Hollywood with the opening scenes.
Yes.
Footnotes all this. We park 2 blocks east.
Jesus. With Delaney, Delaney treated him so bad, I could barely watch. Like, I could barely even watch. It was terrible. Like doormat, buy me things, do this. You're coming over now, you're gonna do this. You're like, so bad. And he finally was like, yeah, yeah, nope, I don't, that's not what I want, so no.
Oh.
Oh gosh. That was insane. They're still on the wrong side of the road.
Yes, they are.
Oh my gosh. Someone driving the wrong way? Yes, and there's going to be an accident. Oh no.
Well, they drive a Mercedes, they can afford it. As long as they don't hurt anyone. Oh, right past a cop,
gosh,
too.
A police officer.
Yep.
U-turn.
Yes. Yep.
This is drama right now.
Sweet.
He's doing nothing.
Oh, no, he stopped. He's
okay.
gonna do something.
Whoa, that was crazy. Oh my gosh. Like, this car went straight. Okay, anyway. And then with Kate, oh my goodness. I think he was ready to marry Kate, but Kate can be overwhelming in a different sense. So he was a very good girlfriend to her, but the way he broke up with her was bad. Because he was like, yeah, we're not going to talk anymore. I want to break up with you, cold turkey, no explanation, just...
Oh!